Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the World of NK. My name is Nduta Kinyanjui if you're new here. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you and I love you. And happy new month. This is the first day of the second month. It's Feb, and I am so happy that we've made it to a new month, and I am super excited for what's to come in this new month. I am yo I started this month sleepy. But that doesn't matter, because what matters is that I woke up and I'm ready to do the things that I had planned to do. There's a plane passing by. Maybe we should hold so that it passes. So, I don't know if you guys saw the butterflies migration the other day, and for some reason I thought it was only here, but then I went online today and I saw that it's actually should I say a country-wide thing? I don't know, but it's something that's happening all around. It's butterfly migration. Very many white butterflies migrating. I don't know where they're migrating to. I don't know why they're migrating, but it was so beautiful. And for me, I felt so good to see that actually I can still see some around. If I get to go outside, I'll film some for you. But I did feel so good to see that, because it signified beauty to me. Like, I took that as a sign that this coming month was going to be a beautiful month, and I'm going to stand by that. And now, that aside, I want to begin this month with a couple of plans. Those plans involve putting out at least 2 videos a week on YouTube, and of course, plan other content for my other social media platforms. And I do hope and pray that I'll be able to stick to that. I also want to do a sit down. Right now, I want to do a sit down and talk about why we set resolutions and we don't follow up with them up to the end of the year. By the time you're watching this video, that video will be up already. So you find time and go watch that video. So see ya. Hey guys, just finished filming that video. I've taken a long break, but I'm done now. I'd like to make myself something to eat because I'm hungry. Yeah, fix myself something to eat and then finish what I was working on yesterday, like completely. I just need to get that out of my way. So yeah, I'm happy. Can y'all see me? Yeah, I don't know if I showed you guys my outfit of the day, what I was wearing before I started filming that video. Yeah, I was wearing this cute dress that I love so much, of course, with my pretty socks. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited to be here this morning. This is the 5th of February. This is the it's on a Monday, and I'm super excited that I've woken up well. I have woken up peace. Though I don't know, but to me it's a beautiful morning, and I look forward to a beautiful week. And I don't have much planned for the week, but I am excited to see what's in for, or the opportunities that are gonna come this week and this new month. And also, just for today, I do have a plan. I am going to town to get my mom something from the bookshop. So when I get back, I have no other plan. So I'll see you around. We'll see what we'll see. So hey guys, I just came back from a small grocery shopping, tomatoes and bananas, my greens right here. So hey guys, I honestly didn't manage to go because by the time I was getting ready to leave, it was too late. So yeah, that was it, iliisha hivyo. So right now niko tu kwa nyumba. I've shot some TikToks. I just want to sit down and maybe edit as I think about what I'm gonna have for dinner. So fresh, so juicy. Yeah. Guys, ushawahi jitolea kuosha vyombo and then this thing shows up after you're done? I'm so mad. I'm not even going to wash it now until Shabadai, because what is this now? Why? I'm so mad. Anyway, to move regardless. So I was just preparing my kachumbari, and a friend of mine showed me a trick where you add salt to the onions to remove the ukali, and yeah, ukali to kitungu. So I'm gonna let this sit here for a minute, actually until I'm done cooking, and then I'll rinse them out and then add my tomatoes. Yeah, I want to make pilau njeri and some greens, of course, na kachumbari. So obviously I want to prepare my potatoes first. I only need 3, not much. So guys, after just saying I am going to make pilau njeri, it's when I'm realizing that this is the only ginger I have and I do not have garlic. So I'm just gonna cook with whatever I have. Unfortunately, it's sad, but what do we do? Had I realized earlier, I would have bought, but right now it's dark and I can't leave the house when it's dark, and yeah, so we move regardless.
That's bullshit.
It's been a minute now, so I want to rinse this out to get rid of this excess salt. And because it had salt already, I won't have to add salt to once I add tomatoes. Or any other thing if you add other things. This is enough for one serving. I don't know. I think so. I hope so. We'll see. Because I also don't like a lot of kachumbari because of the taste of the onions. There are people who like to add lime. There are people who like to add lime. Personally, I don't enjoy that taste because I feel like it takes away from the taste of the kachumbari itself, and it actually overpowers every other taste on the plate. So I don't like that. So of course we clean as we cook because we're grown. Yeah. You won't believe what happened. I had been filming for I don't know how long, and then kumbe my phone went off and I didn't realize, so I was just filming black. Nilikuwa tunajitolea na kuna kitu nafanya. My phone died, so I had to charge it. So yeah, that's what happened. But my food is ready. I'm ready to eat. That plate looks nice. I love it so much. Oh, yeah. Let's have some dinner with me. So hey guys, it's at the end of the day, and I wanna go to sleep. Not really go to sleep. Watch as I retire to my bed, and yeah, I've enjoyed my food. It was amazing. So I'll close this day here. We'll see each other when we see each other. Ciao. I really hope this video is not blurred. I have recorded a whole intro only to go and review and see, do a preview and see that it was blurred throughout, not even a moment of change in focus. So disheartening. Anyways, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the World of NK by Dr. Kinjri. I'm so happy to have you here. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. This is the time to subscribe. This is the time to hit the subscribe button. And if you are a regular subscriber, this is the time also for you to hit the like button. Hit the like button, and that will go a long way. Thank you so much. Well, today is a beautiful day. It's on a Thursday morning. I'm listening to some Thursday jazz from YouTube. If you want to be listening to jazz, you can search on YouTube jazz music, and then it will bring you a couple of channels that play live jazz music. Not like the channels are live, not live performances. Yeah. So other than that, I'm so happy to hear birds are singing. But I have a couple of things that I need to do today. First of all, I need to fix myself some breakfast because I have absolutely nothing that can be eaten in this house. And I also need to film a sit down video. I would like to talk about not allowing yourself to be the person who doesn't ask for anything. There's so many things we miss or we don't get because we sit back and expect to just receive without asking. Let's not allow ourselves to be this kind of people. By the time you're seeing this video, that video will be up already because I intend to post it before Valentine's, because this is the month of love. Especially in this month of love, I feel like this is a conversation that we need. So do go and watch that video. And I also want to do a small photo shoot because I've been wanting to get back into blogging. Not even get back into blogging. The other time I blogged my own stuff, it was something like a mock-up, just a trial, and I said that it's something that I would be doing in the future, but then I never got back to it. So this is the time I need to get to that. And yeah, let's see how that pans out. If it looks good, you'll see it. If not, well, you'll understand. But let's get into my day, my beautiful content day. See ya.
Te quiero desde lo más profundo de mi ser, pero los celos dañan nuestra relación.
So hey guys, before I actually get started with this mandazis, you'll remember when I showed you the matokes that I got from mums, and guess what? Zilianza kuiva. I knew this would happen, and I low-key wanted this to happen because I love the taste of ripe matokes, like zikiva, and then they become like sweet or delicious bananas. I love that. So yeah, so it's time to eat them, though some of them are overripe. Like this one is overripe. I have to get rid of this because I also don't like the taste of overripe bananas. It's literally so disgusting. But yeah.
Te quiero desde lo más profundo de mi ser.
Oh, my meal is ready. My mandazis are ready. This is a cup of milk. I was making tea and I decided just to take a cup of hot milk before the tea gets ready. So I guess by the time I'll be finishing this milk, I won't be needing the tea, but I'll drink it later. So yeah, I am so in love with the results.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am basically almost done with the things that I had planned for the day. I have shot the sit down video and I have also shot some pictures for my blog. And yeah, power just decided to go. We don't have power, but yeah, we move regardless. So see you later.
I really have to remove all this. This was my makeshift studio. Yeah, so I have to remove all that and return the pillows. Yeah.
Se derrite como mis sentimientos.
Hey guys, good afternoon. It's at what time is it? It's at 3:38. It's
It's at 3:40. I am waking up now. It's on a Saturday, and today I allowed myself to sleep in literally, but I wasn't really sleeping in. I just decided to just allow myself to be lazy and spend the day doing things that my body wanted to, and I felt like just staying in bed, calling people, scrolling through TikTok until TikTok literally kicked me out because I have that screen time setting. So right now I can't even access TikTok anymore for the rest of the day until tomorrow. But yeah, I can definitely scroll through Instagram Reels. But aside from that, since I said I allowed myself to be lazy, I told myself that I was gonna do two things today. Who decided to bring a crusade here? Literally, I hope it's a moving crusade, and it's passing. It's just passing, honestly. 'Cause why do they have to be so loud? Honestly. Anyway, I was drinking some coffee to start my last day. Yeah, that was loud. That is loud. But yeah, as I was saying, what was I saying? Yo, yeah, that I allowed myself to just be lazy. So now that I've woken up now, I want to, of course, change my bedding and clean my sink, do a little bit of cleaning, and go back to being lazy. Yeah, that's literally my plan for the day. Everything else that actually requires my brain to work, I'll handle all that tomorrow. From tomorrow onwards. Yeah. So let's enjoy this half day with me.
Disfruto estar contigo. Pero la nieve se derrite como mis sentimientos. Te quiero desde lo más profundo de mi ser. Pero los celos dañan nuestra relación.
Yeah, so hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am done cleaning up my dishes and of course spreading my bed, and I'd like to take a shower. But before I do that, I'd like to say something that I've been thinking about. There's a lot of you people that watch this channel that I know personally, and I just realized that I do not thank you enough. My family that is right here watching me, if you're in I'm talking about family as in relatives. I have some of my very close friends that you watch me, you comment, you sometimes side chat me and tell me things that have to do with the channel. That really encourages me because I know I have some solid people by my side, and I really appreciate you. And if you're here, I love you. Thank you so much.
Te quiero desde lo más profundo de mi ser. Pero los celos dañan nuestra relación.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm just from the shower. I'm fresh and clean, as y'all can see, and I'm happy. I feel so good, but I am going to end this day here because it's not too much I'm really going to be doing after this. I'm just going to have dinner, entertain myself, and end my day. So you'll see me when you see me. I don't know if it's tomorrow or whichever day, but you'll see me when you see me. Bye. Hey guys, it's on a Sunday. It's around 11 a.m. I'm on my way to find myself some breakfast. Yeah, it's a pretty lazy day, but I'm loving it. Yeah. Hey guys, so just coming from the shop. I didn't get the bread I was looking for. I wanted the block broadways, but I didn't get it. So yeah, I had to buy butter toast. I also bought some eggs because I would want to bake this week. Just bake a small cake for myself. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the 13th of February. This is the eve of Valentine's. But I have plans today. I am attending a creators workshop, producers, that kind of thing. I am very late. I need to rush out immediately. Like as soon as yesterday, because I'm supposed to be there at 1, and I know it's gonna take me an hour to be there. So yeah, I need to leave. I'll see y'all later.
So I should probably admit right away that I'm pretty weird for a Hollywood producer. You can live anywhere.
Pero los celos dañan nuestra relación.
Hey, and now we're back home. I've seen these cute little dogs. They're running away.
Just got back. I'm so tired. Not physically tired, but my eyes are tired. My head is tired, obviously. But I'm back. I'm happy. It was really engaging. At least some exciting things that will be happening in the industry in the future. So those are definitely things that I'm pretty excited about. I bought some bananas because this I find bananas to be very good snacks, especially just something to snack on during the day. So I bought some bananas. I need to wash them. I also planned to bake today. I hope I'll be able to because there's something I need to write before I sleep tonight. I have to work on that, but I'm thinking let me just get started on that, see how far I can go, and then now I need to shower first. I shower, work on that, and then see if I'll be able to have time to bake. If I don't have time to bake, I'll wake up to do that in the morning. So, see ya. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so happy to be here today because it's Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day. Um, yeah, this is Valentine's Day, like I said, and it's also the final day of this vlog. I have filmed this vlog for forever. It needs to end now, but I'm glad it's ending on a high note. Yeah, it's ending on a high note. I want to bake my cake, like I've been saying I'm going to do, and it feels like the perfect day to be doing it because it's on Valentine's Day, and today I just told myself I'm going to practice self-love. I woke up early in the morning, worked on an article that I'm going to post the link in the description box. I now want to bake a cake for myself, a vanilla cake. Yeah, so let's enjoy this process while we end the vlog. I'll see you later.
It's very ready. I have sugar, I have milk, I have vanilla essence, I have margarine, wheat, and eggs. Yeah.
Let me tell you something, guys. This onga tastes amazing. Mm, mm, I can't wait. Pray for me that it doesn't backfire, because if it does, you won't see the results. Yeah. So it's time for me to prep my makeshift oven and baking tray. I'm gonna use a sufuria. So this is my makeshift oven. These are two large sufurias, and then there's a smaller one inside. Yeah, and then underneath I have put some spoons and a fork to hold yeah, you understand its purpose.
Yeah, but basically that's it. So I've just finished lining this souffle. I'm going to just sprinkle some wheat inside. Yeah, this is how it looks like. And then, yeah. Yo, my cake is here. It's so ready. It looks so good. I'm so happy with the results. Oh, as it should have been. When I tell you guys I am happy, it's because I am. This is the final result of my cake, and I can't wait to have it. I'm just about to cut it up and then serve myself. Yeah, look at that, yo. Look at that. Now this is cake. I'm so happy that it turned out well because now it's made it to the video. Yeah,